the stupid ones.
I need to get over here.
The sparks will probably like the other one.
Austin's like, how do you know when it's time?
When it stops.
How do you know when it's time?
No, they got more.
Oh, they put them all on the ground?
Yee-hoo.
Yeah.
You have to.
We're making our own professional stuff here.
Stops.
Actually, that was some random old guy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Same one.
Oh my gosh, Matt's awake.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, man.
Austin, what?
Man, you read my mind.
Awesome.
That's it, I'm gone. That's all I have.
Mom left right there. She was like, no.
Neighbors like that.
Jesus, gunshot.
Throw that rocket down!
Just gunshot.
Oh man, the cops won't make it. There's too many cars.
You're worried about the freaking car.
I ain't worried about no
The other
cops.
fireworks,
I don't
and they're
care.
like, sweet, an after show.
Yeah.
Yeah, bonus.
They're probably thinking, wow, this is like much better than the ones we just watched.
Soften. Soften.
Remember, Canada Day fireworks last.
Gunpowder. Yeah, gunpowder. Yeah, sprinkle some gunpowder. Oh, these ones are gonna be great.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's only one.
Oh, buddy.
Huh?
So what if we did two at a time?
Yeah. They should just light a bunch of them.
Oh,
That was cool. I like that one.
that was our good firework.
Oh, yeah, look at this. Look, that's gonna burn the tree. It's went into the tree. There's a spark in the tree.
Look at it. Look at
This is great. Look. Oh, here we go again. Oh,
Oh no.
no. Oh, this is great. It's probably gonna light the rest, yeah. Oh, there's some people walking right here.
That's on fire.
Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, that's crap. What do you call that?
Call it a firework.
I call it poop. Oh no, dodge it! Man, that's crazy.
Them gone screaming.
Yeah, she did.
No, she didn't.
Yeah.
Where is she?
Oh yeah. Well, like them.
Yeah, well, I got this all on video and I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
They definitely woke up.
Ghostbuster, I want to see what this one is.
Here we go, screaming. That's great.
Oh, it looks like a Is this Ghostbusters?
Ghostbusters! Who you gonna call?
That is cool, man.
Okay, our fireworks are better than what they probably had.
That was cool. Ghostbuster is awesome.
Look out.
Oh, the wick stopped. No, it didn't. What?
Those are shooting low.
Oh, I just can't wait to see one of those sparks just fly and start lighting off the other fireworks.
I can't wait to see one light the tree on fire.
That would be something to see.
They're gonna have a Canada flag going up there.
There'll be some trouble there.
We're sacrificing our fucking lives here.
Set off the 25 fireballs. Yeah, that's the 25 fireballs. Oh,
You already called it.
Oh, they turn the lights on. Get it over with.
guarantee those people that did the fireworks down there went and bought like 3 of these packages and put theirs on.
They just called the cops.
That was awesome.
Turned the lights on and now they're off again. They just got up and called them.
Well, we did warn them, didn't we?
Yeah. I'm saying, go over them, they're long.
These are our fireworks, people. Well, there's like 64 minutes we can use on this. It popped in that guy's nose.
It popped over the trees. That was cool.
That was fucking close.
Oh, now this one's gonna leave some sparks. That one's firing sideways.
I stand up.
I think the other one like was pointing that way or something because it like blew the crap out of that person's lawn.
That shot perfectly straight that way. 5 feet off.
It popped right in their yard.
I'm hoping there's no fires around here. How many are left? Like 4? Yeah.
That,
We can't call the police. We already called the police on ourselves.
No, I know, but he wouldn't call the police. He's watching him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Shot right underneath this tree.
Yeah, it's fucking over in his lawn fucking.
One piece surprise stuff like
Oh, my God.
How many are left? Like 7? Cherry bomb.
Daddy, move back.
Ah! Did you hear that?
At least it's a 411, so it's not.
Boom! Cheese cannon.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like how they're all firing like right at that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like,
trees are over there.
I can't believe one popped right in that guy's lawn. Could you imagine him like chopping wood back there? It's late that night.
Can you imagine we had to run over there to put a hose on this thing because it's on fire?
Well, look, there's a guy over.
That would have been
Dude.
pretty bad.
There's a there's a guy over there checking his backyard right now.
Watch out! Oh my fuck, this ain't good.
Guys, stop the fireworks!
Don't kill yourself.
This is the end of the video.
That was awesome.
Look the fuck out! Put your helmets on!